Confidence hack number 38, multicolored Air Jordans and the moment Tom's shoes was birthed. The confidence boost today comes through the shoes that you wear. I'm going to show you why the choice, a selection of your shoes, brings confidence. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, and high performers of all types how to hack their confidence. If you want an email in your inbox every morning or weekly, go to my website, davidnurse.com, where I will send you a confidence boost every day to help you start your day off on the right confident foot. A smile engulfed a child's face, an emotion that appeared foreign to the poverty-stricken kids of Argentina. Yet there it is. A smile that stopped time in its tracks and changed more than just the young boy's life. It also changed the life of Blake Mycoskie. Mycoskie didn't plan to spend his vacation time in Argentina with a volunteer organization that was providing shoes for the needy. But I guess that's what happens when love sweeps you off your feet. Blake had met a girl on the trip, and instead of hiking through beautiful Patagonia like he had planned, Blake spent his time handing out shoes in favelas. And it changed everything. Not just the smile on the boy's face when he received the gift, but the way he walked around in those shoes once he put them on his feet. It's as if he was a whole new person and self-esteem had drastically changed. This young boy who Blake gave the shoes to strutted through the streets, pointing down at his shoes, showing every onlooker who had passed by. He had a newfound self-confidence. The shoes were the magical culprit. Have you ever wondered why women have closets full of shoes? Or why men collect every style of Air Jordan ever made? Shoes are much more than an accessory. They are a statement of confidence and a statement of personality. The first impression you make is not always about who you are on the inside. It's also what you have on your feet. Literally, it is. A study conducted by researchers at Princeton University found that people judge others based on their shoes. Crazy. So who do you want to be? Who do you want that first impression to come over as? What is a personality type that you want to exude in that next first impression? The Journal of Research and Personality found that the type of shoe someone wears can tell you more about the person than any other article of clothing. People who wear bright, colorful shoes are seen as extroverts. Practical and affordable shoes are associated with agreeable people. People with very well-kept shoes are perceived to be the conscientious type. The outside of a shoe can tell you what the person is trying to portray, but the inside of the shoe, or the inside of the person, the analogy here, can tell you how the person is actually feeling. Studies show that wearing a shoe that makes you feel comfortable, it boosts self-esteem and self-confidence. It also allows the wearer to feel as if they were made for the shoe. And as the famous cliche saying goes, if the shoe fits. Shoes aren't just something to throw on your feet to get from point A to point B. No, they are an expression of who you are on the outside, leading to the inside. Blake Mycoskie didn't let the experience he left in Argentina stay in South America. Upon arrival back to the United States, Blake took action on the need he saw and the confidence boost that it had given the young, impoverished boy. Blake started Shoes for Better Tomorrows, a for-profit business that could give new shoes to disadvantaged children throughout the world. The company would donate a new pair of shoes for every pair they sold. This eventually became known as the company we all know today, Tom's, forever changing the feet of millions, but also forever empowering the confidence in millions. Now, you know I'm really into optimization and how to stay the healthiest, the mind, the sharpest, longevity, everything. I'm a nut for that. And I haven't found anything, literally anything, that has more positive benefits and improvement effects on the mind and the body than the hyperbaric chamber. Elevate Health hyperbaric chambers. Well, what it does, it can speed up your recovery from an injury. There are so many documented cases with athletes and they're injured and it heals the tissue dramatically faster. Also for concussions and brain damage, it's the number one thing that I have heard and I have seen heal concussions, improves blood flow, reduces inflammation. That's just in the hyperbaric chambers, but Elevate Health is doing something different. They are the top recovery modality company. They have cryotherapy, they have saunas, light therapy, vibroacoustics, PEMF, compression therapy, polar recovery, and so much more. It is worth checking them out. Trust me, Elevate Health, ELEVE health.com. Let them know David Nurse sent you. They'll hook you up or contact me and let me know what you're interested in and I can direct you in the right way there. ElevateHealth.com. Do not wait. This is proactive and not reactive. Get after it.